Vina, kenalin, ini Ji, teman aku dari kelas public speaking.
Hai Ji.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Ji bilang dia senang ketemu sama kamu.
Aku juga senang kenalan sama dia.
She said she happy to meet you too.
Aulia has told me about you before.
Katanya aku pernah cerita kamu.
Oh, semoga diceritain yang bagus-bagus ya.
She hopes I only told you good things.
Only good things, don't worry.
Katanya tenang aja, semua yang baik-baik kok.
Oke deh.
So what does Vina study?
Jay nanya kamu jurusan apa.
Ilmu komunikasi juga.
She studies communication science too.
Really, that's great. We have something in common already.
Dia bilang seru karena kalian punya jurusan yang sama.
Oh iya, dia dari mana?
She wants to know where are you from.
I'm from England.
Dia dari Inggris.
Oh, jauh banget ya.
She said England is very far from Indonesia.
It is, but I'm enjoying my time here.
Katanya emang jauh, tapi dia senang tinggal di sini.
Indonesia is very different from my country.
Jay bilang Indonesia cukup beda dari negaranya.
Bedanya kenapa?
She asked what's different.
The weather, the food, and the people.
Katanya cuacanya, makanannya, dan orang-orangnya.
Oh iya, yang paling dia suka apa?
What do you like the most?
Definitely, the people, everyone has been very kind to me.
Katanya yang paling dia suka tuh orang-orang Indonesia karena ramah.
Oh, seneng deh dengernya.
She said she happy to hear that.
How long have you and Aulia been friends?
Dia nanya kita udah berteman berapa lama.
Dari awal kuliah.
We've been friends since the first semester.
So you know all of Aulia's secret?
Dia bercanda, katanya berarti kamu tahu tentang aku dong.
Haha, itu mungkin sih.
She said maybe.
That's dangerous.
Katanya itu berbahaya.
Tenang aja, rahasianya aman kok.
She promised your secret are safe.
Good. What do you usually do after class?
Dia nanya, biasa kamu ngapain habis kelas?
Kadang-kadang nongkrong, kadang juga langsung pulang.
Sometimes she hang out with friends and sometimes she goes straight home.
I usually stay in the library for a while.
Katanya dia biasanya sih di perpustakaan sebentar.
Oh, rajin juga ya dia.
She said you're very hardworking.
Not really, sometimes I'm just avoiding traffic.
Katanya sih bukan rajin, tapi cuma menghindari macet.
Oh, masuk akal juga sih.
What kind of music does you like?
Dia nanya kamu suka musik apa?
Aku suka pop sama lagu-lagu Indonesia.
She likes pop music and Indonesian song.
I mostly listen to pop and rock.
Kalau dia biasanya dengar musik pop and rock.
Oh, dia punya penyanyi favorit?
Do you have a favorite singer?
Yes, Ed Sheeran is probably my favorite.
Dia paling suka Ed Sheeran.
Aku juga suka beberapa lagunya.
She likes some of his song too.
Great. Music is something we already have in common.
Katanya ternyata selera musik kalian ada yang sama ya.
Oke.
What Vina's favorite Indonesian food?
Dia nanya makanan favorit kamu apa?
Aku suka banget sama bakso.
Her favorite food is bakso.
I've tried it once, it was delicious.
Dia bilang dia udah pernah coba bakso dan itu enak.
Kalau gitu harus coba yang lebih enak lagi.
She said you should try an even better bakso place.
I'm always ready to try new food.
Katanya dia selalu siap coba makanan baru di Indonesia.
Oh, bagus. Berarti nanti gampang diajak kulinernya.
She said it will be easy to invite you to go food hunting.
Absolutely. I'm really glad I met Vina today.
Dia bilang dia senang bisa kenalan sama kamu hari ini.
Aku juga senang kenalan sama dia.
She said she happy to meet you too.
I hope we can become good friends.
Katanya dia berharap kalian bisa jadi teman baik.
Pasti bisa kok.
She said of course.
How long have you lived in this city, Vina?
Dia nanya kamu udah berapa lama tinggal di kota ini?
Dari kecil, jadi aku sudah hafal hampir semua tempat di sini.
She lived here since she was a child, so she know the city very well.
That's nice. I'm still learning my way around.
Dia bilang dia masih belajar mengenai jalan-jalan di sini.
Masih sering nyasar.
Do you still get lost sometimes?
More often than I'd like to admit.
Katanya lebih sering daripada yang dia mau akuin.
Haha, nanti kalau bingung tinggal tanya aja.
She said you can always ask people if you get lost.
People here are always willing to help.
Katanya emang orang-orang di sini suka bantu sih.
What's your favorite class this semester?
Dia nanya mata kuliah favoritmu semester ini apa?
Aku lagi suka public speaking.
Her favorite class is public speaking.
Really? I like this class too.
Dia juga suka mata kuliah itu.
Kalau yang paling susah apa?
Which class is the hardest for you?
Research methods.
Katanya metode penelitian sih.
Oh, sama dong.
She feels the same.
At least we're not suffering alone.
Katanya setidaknya kita sama-sama berjuang.
Bener juga.
Do you use social media a lot?
Dan kamu sering pakai media sosial gak?
Lumayan sering kok.
She use social media quite often.
Which app do you use the most?
Dan nanya aplikasi apa yang sering kamu pakai?
Instagram sama TikTok.
Instagram and TikTok.
Same here.
Dia juga paling sering pakai dua aplikasi itu.
Dia sering bikin video.
Do you make videos of them?
No, I mostly watch after people videos.
Katanya dia lebih sering nonton daripada bikin video.
Aku juga begitu kok.
She's the same.
Has anything funny happened to you at university?
Dia nanya ada pengalaman lucu selama kuliah gak?
Pernah telat masuk kelas karena salah lihat jadwal.
She was once late because she looked at the wrong class schedule.
That happens to everyone.
Katanya itu sering terjadi banyak orang sih.
Kalau dia?
What about you?
I once forgot my classroom and sit in completely different class.
Dia pernah lupa ruang kelas juga sih, dan malah dia duduk di kelas yang salah.
Terus gimana?
What happened after that?
I realized when the lecturer started talking about a subject I never studied.
Dia baru sadar waktu dosennya mulai jelasin materi yang
Oh, pasti malu tuh.
she said that must have been embarrassing.
Very embarrassing. I'm trying to learn Indonesia.
Dia bilang dia lagi belajar bahasa Indonesia.
Oh iya, udah bisa ngomong apa aja.
She asked what Indonesian words you know.
I know halo, terima kasih, sampai jumpa, and apa kabar?
Dia udah bisa bilang halo, terima kasih, sampai jumpa, apa kabar.
Keren banget ya, lumayan banyak juga tuh.
She think that's good start.
Sometimes I'm still pronounce the word incorrectly.
Katanya kadang pengucapannya masih suka salah gitulah.
Nggak apa-apa, lama-lama juga lancar.
She said that's okay. You'll improve with practice.
I hope so. What do you usually do on weekend?
Dia nanya biasanya kamu ngapain pas akhir pekan.
Kalau nggak ada tugas, biasanya jalan sama temen atau enggak nonton film.
If she doesn't have homework, she usually hang out with her friends or watches movie.
I enjoy watching movies too.
Kok goyang banget?
I enjoy watching movies too.
Dia juga suka nonton film.
Oh iya, film apa yang dia suka?
What kind of movies do you like?
Mostly action and comedy.
Dia paling suka film aksi sama komedi.
Aku juga suka komedi.
She likes comedy. Mati aja.
Gak apa-apa gak sih?
Oh iya, dia lanjut. Oh iya, lanjut. Dari mana tadi? She likes comedy movies too.
Maybe we should watch one together sometime.
Dia ngajak kapan-kapan nonton bareng yuk.
Oh, boleh banget.
She love to.
Do you have any brother or sister?
Dan nanya kamu punya saudara nggak?
Iya, aku punya satu adik.
She has one younger sibling.
I am only child.
Dia anak tunggal.
Pasti rumahnya lebih sepi ya.
She think your house must be quieter.
Sometimes sweet, but my parents always keep my busy.
Katanya emang kadang-kadang sih sepi, tapi orang tuanya selalu punya kegiatan buat dia.
Seru juga ya.
She said that sound nice.
I want to travel around Indonesia while I'm here.
Dia bilang dia pengen jalan-jalan keliling Indonesia.
Dia pengen kemana?
Where would you like to visit?
I love to visit Bali and Yogyakarta.
Dia pengen ke Bali sama Yogyakarta.
Dua tempat itu emang bagus.
She said those are great place to visit.
Do you have any recommendation?
Dia minta rekomendasi tempat lain nih.
Kalau suka alam, coba ke Bandung atau ke Malang juga.
She recommends Bandung and Malang if you enjoy nature.
I add them to my list.
Katanya dia bakalan masukin ke daftar tujuan dia.
What do you want to do after graduation?
Dia nanya setelah lulus, kamu pengen kerja apa?
Aku pengen kerja di bidang media atau public relation.
She wants to work in media or public relation.
That sounds interesting.
Katanya itu pekerjaan yang menarik.
Kalau dia,
What about you?
I like to work international communication.
Dia pengen kerja di bidang komunikasi internasional.
cocok banget sama jurusannya.
She said it really match your major.
I hope so.
Tanya dong gimana cara dia belajar presentasi dalam bahasa Inggris supaya lebih percaya diri.
Vino wants to know how you became confident speaking English in presentation.
I practice a lot in front of a mirror when I was younger.
Katanya dulu dia sering latihan presentasi di depan cermin gitu.
Kalau sekarang masih gugup nggak?
Do you still get nervous?
Sometimes, but I try to focus on the message instead of my fear.
Katanya kadang-kadang sih masih gugup, tapi dia fokus ke isi presentasinya, bukan ke rasa takutnya.
Wah, itu tips yang bagus sih.
She said that really good advice.
Practice makes a big difference.
Katanya latihan tuh emang sangat membantu ya.
Do you have any plans this weekend?
Dia nanya, kamu ada nggak rencana di akhir pekan?
Belum ada, paling istirahat aja di rumah.
She doesn't have any plans yet. She probably just relax at home.
Maybe next weekend we can explore the city together.
Dia ngajak minggu depan jalan-jalan keliling kota bareng, mau nggak?
Boleh, nanti sekalian cari tempat makan yang enak.
She said yes, and we can also look for a good place to eat.
That sounds like a perfect weekend.
Katanya itu bakal jadi akhir pekan yang sempurna. Jeng jeng.